Hi kids, I'm back. So for writing this week, we're actually making a special gift for someone you care about, for your mom. So if your mom is watching this video, tell her, Mom, I need you to go in the other room for a few minutes while I watch this because it's a surprise, okay? Like I said, it's a surprise for your mom, so if you need help, have your brother, sister, dad, grandma, anybody who can help you with it. But I said, this is a surprise for your mom, so say, Mom, shh, I need you to go in the other room for a few minutes, okay? So for your mom, we're going to be making, I'm going to show you. If you have the packet, let me show you. It's going to be on page 11, and it says, make a gratitude sign. Now, we're not making a sign, we're going to make a card. And gratitude means to be thankful for something and to show kindness. So who are you thankful for? Well, this Sunday on May 10th, it is Mother's Day. So we're going to make a card for your moms to show them what you're thankful for that they do for you. Maybe they help you with your homework, they play with you, they're very kind to you. So we want to tell them thank you. I mean, that's really sweet of them. So you're going to make a card. I'm going to make one for my mom to show you how I'm going to make it. So all you need, just get a sheet of paper, whatever you have. It doesn't matter what color it is. You can use your mom's favorite color if she has a favorite color. And I have mine long ways, and I'm going to fold it down the middle. So it kind of looks like a book. I'm going to make a card. Now, don't worry about writing your name on the front of the card. We're going to put that on the inside. And normally cards, they have like a nice picture on the front, and then just a few simple words to tell what the card is. So for my card, I just want the front to have kind of like a title of a book. What it's about is Happy Mother's Day. So I need 3 words. Let me draw my lines. 1, finger space. 2. I'm going to kind of put it in the center in the middle because it's like a title. 3. So happy. That's our first word. Happy. Uppercase H. A. P. And I'm going to spell this the correct way for you so you can make it nice for your mom. But if you're sounding it out, that's okay. Happy has 2 P's and a Y. Mothers. O-T-H-E-R-S. Mothers. Day. D-A-Y. And the reason I did an uppercase H, an uppercase M, and an uppercase D is because it's like a title. If you notice titles in books, the words are capitalized. So that's why I did them uppercase. If it was a sentence, I wouldn't write them like that. It would just be the first one. Now, also on cards, there's normally a nice little picture up front. Now, my mom, she loves sunflowers. So I'm going to draw a sunflower. You can think of whatever your mom loves. So she loves coffee, she loves dogs. Put something she loves up there. So I'm going to draw a sunflower. That's actually a compound word. We did that last week. Sunflower. They have these bright, beautiful yellow leaves. Petals. And then they have a long green stem with a leaf. And I'm going to color this and make it look really nice for her. Now, I'm using a marker. If you want to use a pencil, just in case you make a mistake, you're going to erase it, definitely use that. So I'm going to add some color in a little bit. But let's open up our card. So I have Happy Mother's Day. On the inside, this is where you're going to write what you're grateful for. What does your mom, and if you don't live with your mom, that's okay. What does your grandma do for you? What does your aunt do for you? And tell them that. So I'm going to say, my mom, she always makes me really, really good food when I'm hungry. So I'm going to say, thank you for making me yummy food. Let's count it out. Thank you for making me yummy food. So I need 7 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what goes at the end of your sentence? Period. Good job. Okay, so thank you. That's 2 letters that make the th sound, the T-H. Uppercase T, because it's the first letter. H, A, and K, C or K. U. Now use one of our words. So you should be able to spell that correctly. Y, O, U, for. O, for making. I'm going to use my rubber band for that. A, K, ing. Well, that's a long one. But I heard an M, A, K, C or K, I, N, G. Making me, that's one of our words. M, yummy. Yeah. So Y, U, E, food. O. So thank you for making me yummy food. I'm going to try to tell her, 3 things I'm thankful for. So I did 1. She always helps me. If I have like homework or something I need to do, she always helps me. I'm going to say, thank you for, thank you for helping me with my work. I need 8 words that time. Yeah, a lot of words in that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the end of my sentence goes up here. So thank you for helping me with my work. And I already have thank you for, so I can just copy that down. Uppercase T, because it's the first letter in your sentence. Thank you for helping. That's a new word. H, E, O, P, ing. And the ing, we've done it up here. It's the I-N-G, that ing sound. Me with. W, I, that T-H. My, that's one of our words. M-Y, work. W, R, C or K. Thank you for helping with my work. And you know what? I just want to tell her, that I love her. So I'm going to put that at the end for my last sentence. I love you. So that's going to be 3 words. I love you. And I'm going to do an exclamation mark for this one. Here we go. I, uppercase I. L, U. And I'm going to help you spell this one correct too, because it's for your mom. O, V, E, and U. We wrote U before, so I can copy that down. U, Y, O, U. Now this is the part you're going to write your name. So you can say love, and then put your name, from, put your name. But you always want to sign your card. So I'm going to say love, U, O, V, E. Look, a comma. That's called a comma. And then you put your name at the bottom of the card. I'm going to say Miss is Henderson. And now, did you notice how I wrote on the right side of my card? The reason I did that is so on this left side, where I folded it, I can draw another nice picture for my mom. So I could draw a picture of like her and me going on a walk together, something really nice for her. So leave one side of your card blank so you can draw a beautiful picture. Don't forget the title, something nice on the front of the card, like Happy Mother's Day, a nice picture, color. I know I didn't color mine yet, but I'm going to. On the inside, try to write 3 nice sentences for her, something that you're grateful for, that she does for you, whatever it is. And then don't forget to sign your name. You can draw a picture. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Send me a picture of your Mother's Day card. I really want to see it. But I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.